Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to automatically close all Safari tabs on your iPhone. If you're like me, you probably end up with dozens, maybe even hundreds, of tabs open in Safari. It can get overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to show you a simple and easy way to have Safari automatically close those tabs for you on a schedule. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to FixZone for more iPhone tips and tricks. We're always posting new content to help you get the most out of your devices. Okay, so what exactly are we going to cover? We're going to show you where to find the automatic tab closing setting in Safari. The different time intervals you can choose from, daily, weekly, monthly. How to enable and customize the feature.
Let's get started. ***, visual, screen recording of iPhone home screen.
Open the Settings app.
***.
First, let's navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. You know, the one with the gears icon. Visual, scroll down in Settings to find Safari and tap it.
***.
Scroll down until you find Safari in the list and tap on it. Visual, in Safari Settings, scroll down until you see Close tabs.
***.
Now, scroll down in the Safari settings until you see the option that says, Close tabs. Visual, tap Close tabs. Options, manually, after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month.
***.
Tap on Close tabs. Here you'll see a few options, manually, after 1 day, after 1 week, and after 1 month. Visual, briefly highlight each option as it's mentioned.
***.
Manually means your tabs will never automatically close. After 1 day, we'll close all open tabs that are older than 24 hours. After 1 week, we'll close tabs older than 7 days, and after 1 month, we'll close tabs older than 30 days. Visual, select, after 1 week. Choose the option that best suits your needs. For example, I'm going to select, after 1 week. Visual, show Safari app with tabs, then show it empty after a simulated week has passed. And that's it. Now, any tabs you have open in Safari will automatically close after 1 week, keeping your browser tidy and preventing it from getting bogged down with old tabs. Visual, return to the settings page with the chosen option highlighted. You can always change this setting later if you want to adjust the time interval. Just follow the same steps we just went through. So there you have it. A super simple way to automatically close Safari tabs on your iPhone. Visual, back to camera view or end screen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to FixZone, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let me know in the comments below what other iPhone tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.